Everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Google Chrome on your MacBook. So the first step is to open any browser and then simply search for Chrome. Then you're gonna have to simply open this link and then you're gonna get redirected here. Now simply click on download Chrome and then the download should start automatically. So as you can see here, we have the Google Chrome file. So we're gonna have to simply wait until this loads up, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply double click on it. Now I already have Google Chrome installed on my MacBook, but simply open it. As you can see here, it's gonna look something similar to this. You're gonna have to simply drag this Chrome icon into the application folder, and then you can simply start using Google Chrome. You're gonna have it here on your taskbar, and basically that's how you can install Google Chrome on your MacBook. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.